Sherry Ferguson here with another Spotlight on Business. I'm with the Chamber of Commerce and I am here with Joanie Neal of Acopia Home Loans. How are you, Joanie?
I am wonderful. How are you?
I'm doing good. Let's talk a little bit about what you do.
Sure, absolutely. I have a mortgage business that I run here in Portland that is really ingrained in the community in the sense of what we focus on a lot of is the first-time home buyers and getting folks that are out in the workforce into home ownership affordably. And so we have some various programs that are catered directly to this particular market.
Well, and buying a home is one of your largest purchases, and that can be intimidating.
It's very intimidating, yeah.
So along with a good realtor, it's always good to have somebody that can help you, guide you through the loan process. So Joanie, tell us a little bit about when do I need to start looking at my loan and my what I can afford?
Absolutely. Great question, because I get that a lot. Most people that are looking to purchase are kind of already paying attention to their own credit report through Credit Karma, and it's not always accurate. And so what's really powerful for me is to start it at the minute you're thinking of doing it, whether it's 3 months or 6 months or a year, because we have tools that will really be able to work a buyer into a confidence of feeling like that they're ready to purchase, and that comes with knowledge. And so the more that I can educate, hold the hand, and I'm a little bit of a mama bear. Anybody that's worked with me knows when it comes to first time home buyers, I'm a big hand holder because I feel like it's important. And so really immediately is when I would say it's not going to hurt your credit for somebody to pull it from a mortgage sector as far as the consumer finance bureaus go. So there's no penalty. So most of the time we have questions of, I don't think my credit's good enough, I have no money, I haven't been on my job long enough, and you would be surprised at how user-friendly these programs are that are meant just for that type of buyer.
Well, I know that a lot of times when you're getting ready to buy a home, you want to make sure that you're not over purchasing. You want to make sure it's something that you can afford.
Yes.
And in doing that pre-qualifying, it tells you what actually you can afford.
It absolutely does. And with the way the market is right now, having that front work done empowers me to be able to give a good approval letter that has certain language on it for your realtors so that when they're bidding in an environment like we're in right now, it's so helpful, and it has won more deals than anything is these strong approval letters where I've literally taken and gotten everything I needed from the buyer ahead of time, and it's going under contract, ordering the appraisal and title, and then we're closing.
Well, another thing that is sometimes that if I don't have the best credit, you can give me ideas on how I can make that, improve that. And sometimes it doesn't take as long as people think that it will.
No, we do that a whole lot. I'm so glad you brought that up because that's a strength that we have here with Acopia is that we have a rescore program. And that program is very interactive. You get a copy of it, you get a copy of your credit report, and it'll say pay your Capital One down to $200. Have this deleted off your credit report. It's very interactive, and then you do those things and come back and say, Joanie, I got my to-do list done. I'll rescore and I get a new score within 3 to 5 business days.
Well, Joanie, thank you for spending time with us. This is another way that you can do things here, right here in Portland, Tennessee, without having to go outside. Thanks, Joanie.
You're so welcome.